Good morning. Welcome back. I hope everybody's doing well. Looks like we got ourselves a flagpole here this morning. Wow, I thought it was going to be steel. That is going to be aluminum. That's a much better find than I thought. And we've got some shades up here, and I think I forgot my drill at the house. What did that just went this morning? It actually went a little faster than I thought. We're still out here about, I don't know, an hour-ish late. The handful of neighborhoods that I run close to my house had already been run. I knew that because I saw a pile on the way to the doctor's. It was gone on the way back. So, and then I saw the garbage can and I stopped and I said, hey, have you guys already run these? It's like, yep, we're done. So I was like, oh. So I missed those. So we're out here in our other hunting grounds, and I did forget my drill. So we're gonna have to do this the good old fashioned way. So he'd already run those, which kind of stinks, but they're hit or miss anyways. These shades have been good to me this week. We found a lot of these. A lot of people are purging shades for some reason. I don't know why, but they are. Well, since we're having to do this the old-fashioned way, let's talk about that TV set that I picked up yesterday. So I took that home from the yard and took it apart. Total disappointment. The top 2/3 of that thing was air. It was, what's going on here? So the top 2/3 of that was air. And the bottom part I haven't got into yet. But it's gonna be a single projection. So it wasn't a 3. When I was at the yard, the guy's like, oh, I had one of those TV sets when I was in college. It's gonna have a whole bunch of yoke. It's gonna be like a CRT TV, except for bigger. And he was wrong. So even the guy at the yard was tricked as far as what it could or couldn't do. Why are these so difficult today? And I don't think there's going to be much in the bottom. I don't think there's even going to be a yoke. I think it's going to be just some circuit boards and like a projector of some sort, which is a little disappointing. It wasn't very heavy. It was more a large awkward than anything. So, but it's a learning curve. So we'll figure out how to select which ones we want to take in the future. I know this isn't super exciting, but I don't know what's going to be out here today, so this is going to add up to a couple of bucks worth of scrap in my books. I need my gloves, don't need my gloves. It'd be nice if I had my drill, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Okay. But look at this beautiful day we have today. It started off cool this morning now, I'll tell you that. It was 46 this morning. And if you're not from here, that is cold by Florida standards. Really cold. I'm gonna have to take this one off because this is all tangled up in here. So you can feel the breeze kicking too. Now that's actually clean. Come on, which way do you want to slide off here? Oh, you gotta take this little guy off. Why aren't you sliding off? There's got to be another one in here someplace, right? There we go. All right. We're making progress. One more. I think this last one I might kick into fast mode, so you don't have to be bored with me unscrewing some screws and getting this off. Let's go with them. Onward! Got a baby picker. To a model. I wish that wasn't open already. Those might have been nice to sell. We'll take them anyways. These are like to a model kit, I think. James Bond series. I didn't see those rakes out of there from Scouts last night. Ooh, what we got in here? I think I see a motor. Nope, just a bucket. Bucket of screws. What else we got in here? What else we got in here? Little buckets from stuff that I was breaking down at the house. That might be it. Be sweet to score a big old fat chunk of copper, huh? Negatory. I wonder if somebody got my light bulbs. Aluminum. Nope, extruded plastic. All right, onward. I done see the G-Man. We need to start hoofing around these neighborhoods. Before he gets here, we'll take the random chair of the day. I think I saw something up there on the main street too, but we'll have to wait till we get around. Got a bit of metal here. Oh, look at what we got. Oh, we haven't had one of these in a couple of days. My stop of the day. Boom! We got a fan, folks. Fan of a fan. Smash that like button. Ooh, we got some glittery boots too. Anybody want some glittery boots? What do we got down here? What is that? That is lunch. Look kind of like a like an aluminum casing. I was like, ooh, that looks yummy. Ew, it's lunch. This was the piece I saw on the main drag, and it's gonna be a pop-up. A broken pop-up. Missing a leg. But it was a something. And a box spring. We can go through this. Alright. Let's continue on. I am due to find something good in this dumpster. It's been, I don't know, 2-3 weeks since we've actually checked it before it's just swinging by. Doesn't look like it's changed a whole lot though. Must be stalled. It looks like they did some drywall maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Ooh, look at that juicy stuff. No, just a bunch of junk. Imagine that. Junk in a dumpster. Nothing wire in there. Ooh, here's a something now. Here's a something. We'll take this something. Take the microwave. That's a something. Let's see. There's a chair that I don't feel like digging for. Ooh! Look at that. Maker's Mark. Mmm. Delicious. Not. Oh, there's a new microwave box. Oh. Yuck. Sounds metally. Nope, it's drywall. I think that microwave might be it, folks. Boom! Boom! But I see myself a little table over there that we're getting on the way back up. Alright, this will have that hose that I'm gonna get, so I figured we're stopping for this. Shink! Let's see what else we can find. A toilet. Where are the old pots and pans? Not in that box, no. No 3 bob. Empty. Empty. Empty, 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 empty. That's it, just a hose. But I'm just gonna keep you in because we're gonna slide up. I think there's a little table over there. Hope it's not wicker. I hope it's actually the metal framed fake wicker stuff, but that's what it looked like from across the street. We'll see if we don't have good eyes still. Look kind of woody. Look kind of woody. That's gonna be the metal kind, right? Right? Come on. Yes, it is gonna have the metal in it. Gosh, it's pretty rusted out too, though. That's all right. We don't mind rust. All right, let's continue. Oh, we're gonna grab ourselves another shade. Uh-oh. That's the plastic variety. We're not gonna grab ourselves a shade. Ooh, what is this little sink? What is that? Let's take these lights down. These almost are Christmas lights, right? Our guy will like these. Look at that, that's fun. I'll guarantee when I drop those off, you're like, do they work? I'm like, I don't know. Plug them in. What is that? I don't know, it's pretty juicy, whatever it is. All right, let's go. We've got the leaf guy down here. This doesn't look very metally. Nope, 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 nope. Ooh, Washington Nationals. Nope. Negatory. G-Man on the prowl. See if we can find anything here this morning. Doesn't look promising. Looks too light. Nothing heavy. That's metal. That's metal. That's gonna be it. A little something here. We got ourselves a microphone stand. That's plastic. Can we get anything in here? No, that's all plastic too. That's pretty nice. Sing me a song. Yeah. Get in there. We're struggling again. I'm telling you, well, this be going and bebopping along, and all of a sudden, pow! Comes out of no place. Just gotta find the spot. I told you, extruded. It's the week of extrusion. Oh, we got 2 of them here. Nice. What do you say, guys? I don't have my drill. Yeah, let's take a second and see how quickly this comes apart. Whoa. That glass is heavy. Heavy, heavy. If we can take just an extra second, it'll save me so much hassle. I took those windows back yesterday, took those apart at the house. But luckily I had my large pickup today, so they didn't sit around, but I had a big old piece of glass at the house a couple weeks ago, and I propped it up to put out for the large pickup day, and the wind done blocked, blew it over. Come on. And guess what happened? Glass all over the end of my driveway. Not cool. Of course, it made my wife super happy too. Okay, those was two won't come out, so we're just gonna do we got one undone, right? That's all we really need. Just one. The rest of them can be forced. Right? Look how smart Eyes is. Look how smart Eyes is. Look how smart I is. Oh, you're brilliant, dude. Come on, someone pat me on the back. Yes. Oh, that saved me so much hassle. Onward. So we have finished the interior neighborhood, and we're out in the deep. Look at this old school Schwinn. He's kind of busted up though. That's a cool little trike though, if it wasn't so trashed. I think somebody that was too big stood on the back of that thing. That's fun though. Oh well, he's going to the yard now. Little baby pick and paw her. This says fasteners and parts and plumbing. I think that's a lie. We got some screws though. Got some screws. Ooh, there's an old magazine, huh? 91. Maryland map from 79 to 80. Wow. Some old stuff. Camaro parts and accessories catalog. 2014. Not that old. Pretty fun stuff though. Naughty magazines. Ooh, here's some wires. High times. Some interesting magazines here. That's funny stuff, man. Cosmo, High Times, and Camaros. Ooh. Just a treasure trove of different kind of magazines here. Sports Illustrated swimsuit, a souvenir program, muscles, sports, bodybuilders, ooh, Star Wars, some Sears. I think we just got a bunch of manganese this week. That's plastic. Well, this might be brass. Yep, we got brass. Ooh. I'm gonna take that down with me. And that. Alright. These can go into the box. Come on. Get that lip out of there. Why? There we go. You can go back in there. Alright, let's move along. Looks like we're gonna get a couple more yummies here. This is where we found that synthetic gun, I guess you'd call it. Found out after the fact. Let's put this in here for now. Found out that it was like a gaming gun. It actually was a Kickstarter gig. It's pretty sweet. I probably should have kept that. And that's a negatory. This chair is coming with me though. Put our keeper pile here. Keeper. Nope, that's gonna be garbage. Non-metal sounding, that's definitely garbage. I'm just going to systematically go through here. You can come. That's very garbagey. Still garbagey. Still garbagey. Oh, it's real Christmas, not fake Christmas. And you can come. Alright, well that's probably the best stop of the day so far. Probably. It's not going to pay as much as that extruded, but as far as finds, it's been the findiest. Stainless steel, maybe? Can you guys read that? I can't. Something. All right. Let me off your route. Onward! Maybe, maybe not. What do we have inside? Huh! Not that much. Got some cacti. So a little bit of water here. Take that. Maybe a little bit more. These are fan boxes. Where are the fans? No, Matt. They're new fans. That's why. They're new fans. They're not old fans. They're new fans. We got fans going up all over the place. Come here. Come on. No wire left behind. Oh, look at that little piece of wire down there. Come to me. Come to daddy. Oh, you're gonna make me work for it, huh? Yeah, gotcha. So much work. Oh, there's another one. Man, I'm too old for this crap. Oh. Alright. That's going to be all the goodies we're going to find in there today. Come on, look at this. Pathetic! Let's find some stuff. I guess we're just going to collect random chairs today. What is this, chair number 3? Oh! Come on! Come on, get in the car! 1, 2, yep, 3. 3 random chairs. And that's about the bulk of what we found. What is going on? Let's see if we can find anything in here today. Here we got an aluminum rim the other week. Ooh, we got some aluminum wire. I'll take that. We'll take the aluminum wire. I think there might be a little bit more in here. I'd like to know what that is. But I tell you what, I'm not diving in to find out. Can I get to it though without falling in? Oh, that's a wire tripod. That's an aluminum tripod. For some reason they tape them together and they make like a tripod out of it. I don't know what for. But it's to do something, because I see them all the time. Oh, another wire, another grease gun. Another grease gun. A lot of bad grease guns. A lot of tile. A lot of tile. Alright, that's gonna be it. Look at that old boy. Alright, onward we go. Another dumpster. There's a light. There's a light. Oh, I'll take that. We'll take that. Well, the dumpsters are providing more. Ooh, we got some ballast lights. See a fan blade, but I don't see no fan. That's metal. That's metal. What is this connected to? Oh my gosh, you're buried under all the tile. That is a... looks like a... that might be a wood leg. Alright, let's come over here. I saw... what did I see over here? What was it again? I forget already. Was something right here. Ooh, those lights. Oh, there's the fans. Gosh darn it, they're gonna make me get in, aren't they? Come on now. If I get in, I'll never get back out. I can't even call for help because, oh my gosh, there's like 3 fans in there. Really? Ruby? Ruby? Come on. I wish I had a better reaching stick. Oh well. It's not gonna work that way. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Ugh. Not what I wanted to do. Oh my gosh, look at all the lights in here though. Okay, it's worth it. Those are plastic. It's plastic. Metal. Metal. one's done. Another light. More to go through that. Got a lot of wires and stuff in it. How you like that job? I'm putting enough blades on them. Oh, I dropped that. Ooh, there's another ballast light. Alright. Well, we're in here, might as well look under these guys. Aha! Glad we did. More fans in here still. Don't break the blade paddle. This light while I'm here. I saw this earlier, but it was hard to get to. We'll take her now. This looks fun. Come on. You're going to. Oh yeah. Oop, missed it. Alright. I guess that was worth getting in now, wasn't it? Ooh, that's gonna be all she wrote, folks. We are. All right. See what we got in this box here. Yes, 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 yes. No, no. Nope. Nope. Oh, maybe. Oh, those are like wire bulb things. Those are kind of cool, huh? All right. I don't know if I've seen these before. These are kind of cool. So you wire something, then you can screw it into a bulb, and it produces power. Nice stuff. All right, you get the yard today because we don't got squat. Everybody keeps dumping off right here in the front. I don't know why. Normally you can back up there. Not today. Look, all them cars are gone. Oosh! Done lost my screwdriver, I think. What's up, buddy? I ain't got squat today, man. What? Yeah, it's cool. But it's all bent. It's even got the wood back. It's really nice, but it's jacked up. This smoker. This is the last thing I pulled out of the neighborhood. I didn't film this. That's staying. That's staying. Piece of copper. Shink. Whoa! That almost got my car. That would have sucked. Aluminum? No. There's that copper again. Wants to get away. Oh, let's not worry about that. All right, let's see what she weighs and what she pays. Alrighty, well, we are checked out. And today, quite frankly, was dismal. But you gotta take the good with the bad. I mean, we've had some decent days this week, but there was just nothing out there today. I honestly don't think it had that much to do with me being out there a little bit late, because I talked to her and she said no one's really come in with much today, and the one person that did was actually doing a clean out of a lady's garage, and so he had a load due to that. But she said no one else really brought much today. Those cars, as you noticed in the yard was empty again today. So I said, where'd all those cars go? She said, they went from the yard being empty to all those cars for a day, and now today, all those cars are gone. So in the last day and a half, they've crushed, or I should say cubed, 250 cars. So they're moving some cars around here. But they are a car crushing company, so you'd expect that. Anywho's, just 400 pounds of tin today, 26 bucks. I had those flip-flop lights. He's like, you gotta be kidding. He's like, you got any Christmas lights today? I'm like, no, I got something better. He's like, what are these? He actually had batteries, because they were battery operated, which I didn't know until I turned them in, and they actually worked. So 1 pound for 28 cents. Electric motors, that was the fans we found in the dumpster, plus I had a couple at the house that I broke down and threw in there, and the transformer from the microwave, 36 pounds, 14 cents a pound, $5.04. That one pot was stainless, 45 cents, 2 pounds for 90 cents. That one square thing from, not today, it was actually yesterday when it was raining and we missed the check-in, so that was a 6 pound, that piece of aluminum, clean aluminum, $2.28. Light iron, which was a Walker, 8 bucks, 30 cents a pound, to 40. So grand total, even with some extras from yesterday and some other things, $36.90. Womp, womp, womp. So you know what? I'm just gonna go home and eat candy till I feel better. I know, that's just the way it goes. It's all right. It's all right. I'm okay with it. We're gonna have a great cleanup with all the extruded we've been picking up this week. So tomorrow should be pretty sweet. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the thumbs up. Be ready. Tomorrow should be stellar. I'm thinking with our non-ferrous turn-in, because we didn't turn in last week, plus all the extruded we picked up this week, I'm hoping for a big payday, and I'll be kind of disappointed if it doesn't turn out nice. So, remember, it's Nacho Stuff, but that does not mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So, until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch y'all then.